Do you need to replace the motherboard on your Inspiron 153520? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Next, unscrew and remove the solid-state drive bracket. Then slide out the solid-state drive. Next, pry apart the locking tabs to release and slide out the RAM. Now unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Wi-Fi card. Next, unclip the locking tab and disconnect the hard drive cable. Then unsnap the locking tab and disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the keyboard cable. Disconnect the speaker cable. Next, unclip the locking tab and disconnect the input-output board cable. Next, unscrew the cooling fan. Next, disconnect the DC jack cable. Now unscrew and lift the right LCD hinge. Now unsnap the locking tab and disconnect the LCD cable. Next, unscrew and remove the heatsink. Next, unscrew and remove the motherboard. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your CPU and heatsink. Note, for maximum cooling of the processor, do not touch the heat transfer areas on the heatsink and CPU. The oils on your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU before replacing your heatsink. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.